Want a toned core and lifted glutes without intense workouts? Let's do this quick beginner-friendly Pilates routine together and feel the burn from home. First, glute bridges, now crunches, toe taps, forearm key kicks.
Hello everyone and welcome to today's workout. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel before we begin. This helps support the channel and allows me to create more content for you. Hi everyone, welcome to today's Pilates workout. This session is perfect for beginners and focused on strengthening your core and glutes with gentle low-impact movements. Grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get started together. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the mat. Slowly lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeeze your glutes at the top, then lower back down with control. Keep your core engaged the entire time. Bring your legs into tabletop position and gently lift your shoulders off the mat. Focus on using your core instead of pulling your neck. Move slowly and breathe steadily with every repetition. Keep your legs lifted in tabletop and slowly lower one foot toward the floor. Bring it back up and switch sides. Try to keep your lower back stable and your core activated throughout the movement. Now twist through the waist as you bring your elbow toward the opposite knee. Move with control and avoid rushing the exercise. Focus on engaging your obliques with every twist. Come onto your hands and knees and extend one leg straight behind you. Slowly lift the leg upward while keeping your hips square and your spine neutral. Feel the activation through the glutes. Keep your knee bent and pulse the leg upward with small, controlled movements. Squeeze through the glutes and keep your core tight to maintain balance and stability. This final move challenges both your core and stability. Stay strong through your shoulders and keep your body controlled as you extend the leg outward. Breathe deeply and stay focused. Stretch your legs forward and slowly fold over with a relaxed upper body. Let your breathing slow down and allow your muscles to release tension after the workout. Finish by gently twisting through the spine and relaxing your shoulders. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Great job completing today's Pilates workout. See you in the next session. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please share this video and comment your feedback. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates. Stay tuned. See you in the next session. Thanks for watching.